What is up, guys? This is Zach at Dreamedia Home Theater, and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sony 695. And what's really special about today, you guys have seen us unbox this projector in the past, but we are going to be doing a side-by-side with the Sony 295 as well as the JVC RS1000 2000, also known as the NX5 and NX7. And later in the day, I'm going to be doing a shootout of them side by side so that you guys can make an educated buying decision on which projector is best for you. So let's get into it. Also, I wanted to let you guys know, we do not normally do this, but since we're going to be unboxing these today, we will have all four of these projectors, the 295, 695, as well as the RS1000 2000 on open box promo price, because we only sell brand new products typically per order to the customer. But I wanted to do this demo today because we have received tons and tons of phone calls and emails about these particular projectors, and customers wanting to know which one's better, wanting to come and see it side by side. You guys know we're not a store like Best Buy, and I have never seen in a Best Buy, Star Power, anywhere a side by side of these projectors. So we're doing something really special today. I'm kind of moving a little quick here. What you're gonna see is the power cord inside of the box, as well as the Sony projector remote, which is exactly the same as the 295. And Sony batteries included. Warranty card. Let me show you this next to the JVC. One thing you're gonna see is the Sony comes with a 3-year parts and labor, as well as the JVC projector. But one minor difference that you'll see is the JVC comes with a 1 year on the lamp, or 1,000 hours, whichever comes first. And Sony over here is just giving a 90-day on the lamp. Not a huge difference, but something to note. 3-year warranty on both of them. Alright, so let's see what's inside. Sony does a very nice job of packing up this projector. Quick start guide on a disc, and then the projector itself, which is all wrapped up. Now, you guys need to be very careful when you buy your equipment. It's important that you buy from an authorized reseller. We are an authorized reseller with Sony, which means that it comes with a full manufacturer warranty. If you purchase it from some of these places online that are not authorized from Sony, you may be out of luck if the projector has any issues down the road. With us, you just need your receipt, and Sony will give you that full 3-year warranty. We also have extended warranties upon request. All right, so let's see what we got. Like I said, guys, this is going to be an open box on promo. I'm only going to use it for a couple hours, but legally I can't sell it as a brand new item anymore, so I'll give you a promo discount if you'd like to purchase this open box unit that I use for the demo. You can see Sony does a nice job of protecting their gloss finish here on the front, just like the 295. They put a little cushion in here to keep the lens from bouncing around and shipping. I think that's really valuable to make sure it doesn't get damaged. And then they put a lens dust cover on there to protect this super high-end lens that they put on here. Now, there are a few differences between this and the 295, which I'll get into here in a little bit, but just a brief overview. You're looking at 1,800 lumens, 350,000 to 1 contrast. This is a heck of a machine for a $10,000 MSRP. They have also a lens memory so that you can do your cinescope if you're wanting to make this into a dedicated movie room. Now, let me give you a close-up of the unit itself. Housing is almost identical as the 295. Which I'm going to make a separate video of the 295 next to the 695 so that you guys can see the differences. And you have your power input menu, arrows, and lens. Let me flip it around so you guys can see the underside. Now I've unboxed this projector in the past, and you guys have called and ordered this projector. I really do appreciate those orders. That's what keeps me motivated to continue these videos. But in particular, what's important about today is I'm going to be doing the side-by-side of all these projectors, which you guys have not seen, and I'm not aware that anybody else has online. So here is the underside of the 695. IR sensor there in the front. There's also one on the back. You have your USB RS-232, your IR, your triggers, and your HDMI inputs 1 and 2, full 18 gig, and a LAN port. Does support DHCP 2.2 for your most current copyright laws. All right. Well, this is the unboxing of the Sony 695. It's a $10,000 MSRP. We do have a low price guarantee. We have also free shipping within the US. And if you guys would like to purchase this product and you live in Dallas, we can even do the installation for you. And if you don't live in Dallas, like I said, free shipping, low price guarantee. Now, if you guys like this video and found it informative, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Keep in mind, we're gonna have follow-up videos to this of the unboxing of the 295 Sony, the JVC RS1000, 2000, the NX5 and 7, as well as shootouts of them in live action, being broadcasted side by side so you guys can make an educated buying decision. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it informative. This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thanks for watching.